Our journey today began at Torino, where we got by train in Milano Centrale station, and after a short weekend break in Milan, it was the time to return back home in Malaga. Malpensa airport is hour or so from Milano, and today we reached the airport by train. We need a little nap but not so comfy airport seat, and now we are ready for our 2-hour flight to Malaga. Today we are flying A319 instead of A320neo originally scheduled for this route. Hi guys, and welcome to another flight review. Today we are flying from Milano Malpensa Terminal 1 to Malaga on EasyJet and their Airbus A320. We just arrived to the airport from Milano and this place is dead. We tried to go to the food court, but guess what? Food courts here at Malpensa Terminal 1 closes at 10. So believe me or not, you can't do anything here after 10 o'clock. No food, no drinks, no entertainment, no nothing. It's completely dead. And then we found some employee here at Milano airport and talked with him about it. You know, how come this big airport has no place where to eat, where to have a drinks, where to relax. And he actually agreed with me. The EasyJet aircraft is nice and clean but very cramped. It's far worse than any Ryanair aircraft we've flown so far. Once in the airport, I've been nicely approached by the cabin crew and been told to place FFP2 mask. Cabin crew was really nice and friendly though. After a little over 2 hours, we commenced our approach at Malaga airport. So afterwards, beautiful landscape appears and we landed.
Signore e signori, benvenuti a Malaga dove sono quasi le 10:30. Informiamo che siamo atterrati con 20 minuti di anticipo. Vi preghiamo di rimanere seduti con le cinture di sicurezza allacciate fino a quando i relativi segnali luminosi non verranno spenti. Altresì vi invitiamo a non avere fretta ad alzarvi, tenendo più possibile la distanza sociale fino a quando i passeggeri vicino a voi non si saranno alzati anche loro. Non dimenticate nulla a bordo, controllando nella tasca del sedile, sotto il sedile e nelle capelliere che dovranno essere aperte con cautela al fine di evitare la caduta di oggetti. Da questo momento potete utilizzare i vostri telefoni cellulari e sarà consentito fumare solamente quando raggiungerete una
The flight was pleasant and nice, but legroom on this EasyJet Airbus A319 was simply terrible. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Until next video, take care.